Hi, today we're at HAN JIE Machinery and we're checking out one of their newest CNC tube benders, the HC380R3 NSM. This machine is an all-electric servo model with outstanding accuracy, performance, and versatility. The system can handle tubes up to 38 millimeters in diameter and has a max bending radius of 150 millimeters. HAN JIE's machines are made for high production and accurate bending, perfect for the furniture, automotive, and other various industries. With our 3D simulation software, technicians can preview the parameters, which helps to optimize the bending process and improve the production efficiency. Now, one standout feature of this all-electric unit is the auto tool positioning function. Now, this eliminates the need for manual setup, which is tedious because it can sense the torque. And if you need to make any changes at all on any axis, you can easily do it on the touchscreen panel. Now, this can save time and the results are precision parts. Every machine goes through a thorough inspection to ensure the precision and accuracy of your investment will perform at the highest levels. HAN JIE is an experienced bending supplier with a range of advanced tooling systems for your demanding applications. Contact HAN JIE today to learn about their full range of bending machines to boost your productivity. The tube bending experts are ready to serve you.